This is a golf and ocean view Vantage Club room. So we've got the little, I don't know, magic box right off the door. If you order room service, then this is where they're going to deliver it so that you're not disturbed. And then we've got a full-length mirror, and then this is the bathroom. It is open, but there are well-frosted glasses to the toilet and shower area. And I kind of like this. This is, you've got one light that, this activates all the lights. That's just the vanity. It's pretty cool. And of course there's one just for the shower and one for the toilet. Got a nice big tub there, which I don't normally partake in, but I just might. Oh, I love these glasses. Oh, those are cool. Glass? Yeah, they're glass. Vanity mirror, which obviously lights up. Got a scale down there, some big, soft, fluffy towels, a bunch of different toiletries, which everybody has filmed already, so it doesn't need to be said. Body lotion. Oh, wow, that smells lovely. It's very sort of fruity, mango-y. Oh, it's nice. That's really nice. Yeah. And again, then you've got a shower, which is a double shower. You've got the one nozzle on the handle on the left. That one activates either the rainfall shower or the handheld. And then the one on the right is just for the rainfall shower head. And then of course you've got a shaving ledge there as well, which is always nice. I know us ladies appreciate that. And then toilet area, and I will say from in here, I mean, that's pretty rockin' solid. Like, I'd rather have a door as opposed to, you know, glass, but that's pretty solidly private. Oh, haha, the lights come, oh, that's cool. I don't know if you caught that or not, but just as I was walking up here, the lights went on. Nice, soft towels. House coats, whatever you want to call them. I presume this is, oh, it's a steamer. And you've got a bag as well as your beach towels, beach or pool towels. There is an umbrella in there as well as some slippers. And then on this side, we've got a safe as well as, ultimately, I think that will probably have some snacks in it, but nothing as yet. And then some lots and lots of beers and water, Coke products, Fresca. And then a pretty decent amount of storage in there as well. I've got the coffee station, so it's a Lavazza set. I think this is slightly different in the Vantage Club room compared to the regular rooms. And then a bunch of different coffee pods, more glassware. And they actually have a wine fridge. So if you've bought some duty-free, actually, that's a good idea. If you bought duty-free, stick the bottle in there and keep it cool. It's a complimentary bottle of sparkling wine. And then this is the bed. And again, you've got some reading lights. We've got USBs as well as regular plug-ins on both sides of the bed. And on this side as well, you've also got the funky light situation. So again, you can turn on different things, whatever, turn everything off, turn everything on. And then a phone you can order for room service, which is limited hours, but I don't mind that. And this is the sofa. We'll check that out in a second. Stay tuned. Nice little sitting area. And then as I mentioned, this is golf and ocean view. So let's have a look. So basic chairs here. This is going to be sunrise view. Look at that amazing ocean. It's a really good view. We're up on the 9th floor and the beach club is just to the right of that. That's where the Cancun sign is. You can actually, let me see if I can zoom in. I want to go right there. So that's where the Cancun sign is. So you can go and get your pictures done there. And then this is the beautiful golf course. which you get, I believe it's discounted rates. Stay tuned for more info on that. And then of course we have the lagoon view on the other side. And yeah, it's actually really nice. I thought that not being on the ocean, I wouldn't be super happy with it, but I love how busy this view is. And I mean, like, the view of that water just can't be rivaled. So again, here's a reverse view. Nice and spacious. Okay, so something I don't normally do is check out the furniture. So first off, we're gonna check out this little couch. Now, I know you can't compare this to other Hyatt 𝖬villas resorts because it is actually part of the Dreams Secrets chain, but they are also known for having fairly firm furniture, which I appreciate. I don't want to sink into the chair when I sit down. It's perfect. It's super comfy, and you've got a little arm roll rest right there, so you're not leaning against the hard woods, the edge. And then this is there's a little sort of stool area. Oh, that's really solid. Okay, so that's kind of fun. I do like the fact that this is all right in front of the big screen TV. It's literally the biggest TV I've ever seen outside of Costco. And now let's check out the bed. Comfortable, but firm. I gotta say, this is a mattress where if one person rolls over, it's probably not going to wake up the other person. Could be because it's new, could be the style of mattress, I don't know. But I like it. Okay, so also a first, we're gonna check out the towels. They are super soft, like I mentioned. They're massive. So I'm 5'5", and not bad at all. I definitely think that bath might be getting a try on this trip.